Sign into the portal with your username and password. On the left side of the page, you will see a menu. Select the My Business tab, then from the drop-down menu, select Customize. Select the appointment type you would like to add verbiage to. There are two sections. The first section, called Email Greetings Verbiage, is the text the customer will see prior to the appointment details. The second section, called Email Closing Verbiage, is the text the customer will see after appointment details. After you've entered the text, click Update in the top right of the page to save your work. Then scroll down to enter your preferred signature. The app will automatically add your name, email address, and phone number after the signature. However, you have the option of using company info instead. This is useful if, for example, you want to direct questions to a staff member in your office using the office phone number instead of your cell phone. If that's the case, under phone number and email, ensure that the company info is correct. Select Yes under Automated Appointment Emails to turn automated emails on, then click Update to save your work.